Hey, I'm Kevin.
And I'm Johnny E. from Philly Rock Radio.
This is Mary Catherine Carlisle from Season 2 of Worst Bakers, and now I am your Mrs. Central Alabama, United States, and you are watching Frankie Meatball.
The ultimate meatball.
Welcome to Cooking with Frankie Meatball. Today is a special day. I know I haven't did a Hidden Gems video in a long time. I was talking to my man, I'm like, I gotta come down New York to get some pizza. He told me, Frank, you gotta try a vodka pizza. I'm like, vodka pizza? What's on it, John? So he's like, I'll tell you what, come down and we're gonna come to Peppino's and eat a vodka pizza. I'd like to introduce to you my friend Joseph D'Onofrio.
How you doing?
And my newfound friend, Mr. Peppino himself.
How's everything, guys?
Now I gotta ask, is this your creation?
Actually, a friend of mine maybe taught me. It was my friend Frankie Boone from California. He used to work at a restaurant. I'm like, Frankie, how you make the pasta? He told me the ingredients, and that's how the pizza came into effect.
Are you a chef? Did you go to school, or you just love to cook? You cook with your family? How did you come about cooking and opening up a pizza place?
I went to school. It was a school of hard knocks, and the person that taught me was my lovely grandmother. My grandma, God rest her soul. She taught me everything I know. And what happened was when I used to work at a pizzeria in Virginia, and when I worked there, she used to cook for us during lunchtime. So after lunchtime we used to eat, and I used to see her cook. And she taught me all the, by watching and everything else, I got a lot of practice doing it with her. It was excellent practice, and that's how I learned, my grandma.
That's the best way to learn, because you learn with love.
Hands-on, oh, by far. Well, we've been in business. My dad, we have another location downtown in Park Slope since 1968. So altogether, we've been around close to half a century.
So this is a family-run business, still family-run?
Still family-run. Me and my brother run this store, and my sister Camilla run downtown. The store we have in Park Slope, and my sister Ro. Oh, today what we made was a little bit of the penne vodka, since we have the penne pizza. So the vodka pizza, so we made the penne vodka as well. We got fusilli spagnola, then we got a little margarita, and our bruschetta. The bruschetta, this came about, my Uncle Ray, God rest his soul. I worked in a place he had, during the summer when I was 15 years old, in Maryland. And that's where I learned how to make the bruschetta with him. And he used to put a little bit of garlic, a little onions, and some cherry tomatoes. We used to dice nice, and we put it on a piece of bread. And we toasted it in the oven. Right.
Listen, guys,
if
you want good pizza and good food, come to Bay Ridge, Brooklyn, and go to Peppino's, man. Great stuff.
That sauce.
It's good stuff.
Wow.
With the prosciutto?
You got the mushrooms, you got the prosciutto, you got the little basil leaf there, and it's perfect crispiness.
Yeah.
I love it crispy. And the cheese, what kind of cheese you using?
Fresh mozz.
Oh, man.
Fresh mozz.
People don't know fresh mozz means mozzarella. Look at this crust, Frankie. Look at that.
Wow.
How do you make this crust? What kind of bread is this, like special?
A lot of love. That's all it's about. It's about love, like Frankie said.
Very good.
The crust is, the whole thing is all just about love.
This cheesesteak right here is one of the best too.
It's New York.
It's better than steakrooms, that's for sure. Well, try that and tell me what you think. The cheesesteak.
I can't get the pizza.
See, the pizza's so good, he wants to finish the pizza before he goes to the cheesesteak.
It's like makeup. You need a little bit of makeup sometimes. Taking a baby. It's the finishing touches what counts.
Bread is
So it's all about the
amazing.
bread a lot.
This bread, I'm telling you, the cheesesteak's just like the pizza. Perfect char, it's crunchy, it's crispy. I mean, you got the onions, the cheese, the Philadelphia grease.
Chicken for games.
What does that mean? It's a fake chicken or
No.
something?
Hey, that's a problem. The fake chicken, it's not, think about it altogether, it's a mind trick. But what he does, he puts a little onions, banana peppers, it's absolutely delicious. Frankie, take one.
Joey?
Joe. One up to the that.
So it is chicken, it's not a fugazi chicken, right?
chicken, 100%.
That's some good chicken.
That's good. The onions, peppers, yeah.
Smart. Have the onions in there.
Yep, the onions.
Let me tell you, this is no fugazi.
Believe it or not, the onion's considered,
Wow.
it's good. The onion's considered the queen of the kitchen, and the garlic is the king of the kitchen.
Wow, that's really
Between the
good.
both of them, you got royal.
The sauce is incredible. There's onions and very good tomato sauce. Wow. Really. I never tried this before. I wish I would have known about
The
this.
sauce is Napolitan. Two of the best kitchens in the world. The Sicilian kitchen and the Napolitan kitchen. They just met today again. It's one of the best kitchens we ever had.
I mean, the chicken is very tender, nice and thin, the way my grandma makes it and my mother. Now I make it that way. It's got to be thin.
Yeah.
Chicken cutlet sandwich or any kind of chicken cutlet, they got to be nice and thick. You can't have it too thick. Nobody likes a thick chicken cutlet, you know?
And now we got bruschetta over here. I think that's next on the list.
Believe it or not, we were supposed to eat that first. Here we are. We're eating Oh, thank you.
Again, guys, this bread is amazing. The way they cook it, it's just a nice char, nice and crispy. You're gonna love it.
Of course, my Uncle Raymond, God rest his soul. He's the one that came up with it. I used to work in a place in Maryland, it's called Mama Lucia, and he used to make the best bruschetta. That's how I came up with the ingredients. I was 15, 16 years old. We used to dice the tomatoes, the garlic nice and thin, and onions. And put it together, and magic came out of it. That's what came out of bruschetta. Beautiful.
I'm telling you, you gotta come to Brooklyn. And if you don't live close, take a plane, get here, try Peppino's brick oven pizza. I'm telling you, Joe, this is amazing. This is great. I'm telling you, come down to Bay Ridge, Brooklyn on 3rd Ave, right, Joey?
3rd Avenue.
3rd Avenue. Come down, you gotta try the vodka pizza with the prosciutto, the mushrooms, the fresh mozzarella, the basil. I'm telling you, right now we're eating the bruschetta. We're getting ready to try all kinds of stuff here.
Why don't we give this vodka, this penny vodka, a little taste, see how it is. I mean, I know it's great. I see you got green peas in there too. What do we got in here?
So what do you make your vodka sauce with?
Well, it's a heavy cream, a little bit of tomato sauce.
Wow.
You got a little bit of tomato sauce, heavy cream, prosciutto, little diced onions, a little garlic, and we put the peas and we cook it all together. Once that's cooked, look at that. Look how nice and beautiful that is. That's just gorgeous.
Is there a certain type of vodka you use or whatever's handy?
Whatever's handy, whatever you have. I usually like to buy American. I like Tito's. We use Tito's.
This is
Try to keep it in the country.
Very good. Wow.
This is good.
Yeah, good stuff.
Unbelievable.
The vodka isn't overpowering the cream. It's a perfect mix. It's a perfect mix of the two, let me tell you. Because sometimes when you get a vodka sauce, you taste the vodka way too much and it kind of throws me away from it. You know?
Well, it's very heavy too sometimes.
Yeah.
You get vodka sauce and Italian, like, too heavy.
Yeah,
This isn't too heavy.
thick,
Too much
yeah.
going on.
Yeah. You want to try this little dish over here? The sausage and everything? See
Why
that?
not?
Now, what's this again? What's in this?
That's fusilli fagioli. What it is, it's what we put there is hot sausage, some olives, cayenne olives, a little garlic. You saute that first. Put a tomato sauce, and then we cook the fusilli on the side. We mix it together, a little Parmesan cheese. Voila, it's done.
Fresh
The
basil.
sauce is very important. If you're gonna get sausage in this neighborhood, probably the best sausage you get is Mexico sausage. Absolutely.
Oh, yeah.
By far. Louis has one of the cleanest shops on this side of the Mississippi.
I love it.
Delicious.
Oh, this is good.
I get my sausage there too, I love it.
Oh, his stuff is excellent. Look at it. Look how beautiful that is. Nice, nice.
Oh, very good.
Bella bella.
Just the right enough of spice to it.
Yeah, not too much.
Not too overpowered. Great for your palate. It's like, very good.
It's like fine wine.
Ah,
And the choice of pasta is
Oh, it's fresh pasta. It's fresh pasta.
Lucille, that's a calzone. What do we got here?
Frank, big job. That's pizza I don't know. Just in case
Oh,
you don't
wow.
know what you want.
You don't know what it is?
Frank,
Well, you said your pizza, I
it's
don't know.
pizza I don't know, I said.
Well, you don't know
Just
what
in
it
case
is.
you don't know what it is.
No, you know what?
You don't know what you want.
Well, you know what's good? Because when you ask your kid, what do you want? They always say, I don't know.
Pizza, I don't know. Half pizza, half calzone. That's what it's about. That's why it's...
Oh, I thought you said you didn't know what it was.
No. Right. What are we doing here? It's pizza, I don't know. It's half pizza, half calzone. Just in case you don't know what you want.
So who's confused, me or the pizza?
I think you are, Frank. That's pizza I don't know.
No, but the pizza don't know if it's a calzone or if it's a pizza.
Just in case you don't know what you want. It's just half pizza, half calzone. So what we did, we came up with this. Some guy, he didn't know what he wanted. I said, I got you. I'll make you some. So I went in the back, I made half pizza, half calzone. He goes, what are you gonna name? Pizza I don't know. Because you didn't know what you want. So that's how I came up with it.
That's awesome.
Pizza I don't know.
That's great, man. That calzones are good too, man. That calzone.
Yeah.
Here, try some I don't know. I don't know if you want to try the pizza.
I don't know what I want to try.
The spatula's right there.
There we go.
So you got a little calzone, and you got a little pizza. How many cheeses you using there? Just one?
There's 3 cheeses. Parmesan cheese, ricotta cheese, and the mozzarella cheese.
Oh my God, so creamy. Do you do anything to the ricotta? Or you season it? Or?
Just season, salt, pepper, a little parsley, just beat it good. Make sure we use a good grain. So that's what we do. That's how we try to
The more you beat it, the smoother it gets.
smooth it gets.
Very smooth, ricotta.
Yeah.
Very good.
Yeah, usually from a good. Sometimes you open it, it's like,
It's heavy.
yeah.
But this is like fluffy. It's like a lot of air in it. So I guess when you beat it, it puts the air in it.
Yeah, it's
This
really.
guy's getting all these tricks. And this crust. And again, I love the chard and the crust.
That's how the bread is. Like they give you bread. I think it's the same type of bread they use.
Correct.
Yeah.
The pizza's good. You gotta try the pizza. It's that Kalamata olives.
No, hey.
But I just had a bite. I had olive, basil, artichoke heart, and ham all in one bite. And
Wow.
it just marries together beautifully. I'm telling you. And you can tell it's made with love.
Wow.
You can tell the freshness of the ingredients. You can taste the love.
Yeah, it's nice to come and eat here too. Their workers are so nice. The service is excellent. It's nice. It's like, it's like a bunch of friends hanging out. You come in, you eat.
And make it feel like family.
Oh yeah, when me and my daughter would come in all the time, we come in and eat. How you doing? What's going on? And they're good. They don't bother you. They say hi, how you doing? Let you sit down, eat, and then leave you alone. It's the best way to do it.
We try to do the best with that. We try to make it where you don't feel overwhelmed, and we want to give you that atmosphere where you're welcome here 6 days a week. Open 5, but we'll make you come 6.
Where do you close? Sunday and Monday?
Monday and Tuesday.
Monday and Tuesday.
Monday, Tuesday close. What's up, America? This is Joe from Peppino's, 3rd Avenue, 77th Street, in Brooklyn, New York. We're here with 2 great friends. One from Philly, Frankie Boy, and we're here with Joe from Brooklyn. What we're doing today, we're having a great feast. We have pizzas, calzones, you name it, we got it. Frankie, how'd you like everything today?
It was amazing. From the pizza to the pasta to, the cheesesteak. I don't know.
Tell me the truth, how was the pizza?
I don't know.
What are we talking about, the pizza?
I
You
don't
still
know.
don't know?
I still don't know.
This is mystery.
I'm telling you, the penne alla vodka, forget about it. The vodka pizza, I mean, it's just, the list goes on. I would eat more, but I don't think I got more room. You know, I might have to.
Oh, look at that guy, bell.
So,
They're trying to look like these guys.
This food is excellent. Numero uno. The penne vodka pizza was to die for. The cheesesteak is excellent. Everything here is made from the heart.
Napolitan style. These two guys are from Sicily, I'm from Naples. But guess what? Both worlds came together to make this beautiful piece today. It was great, enjoyable.
So if you like what you saw, hit like and subscribe, turn on the bell notification button so you get notified every time I drop a new video. Also, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and check out my boys, PhillyRockRadio.com. They play everything for your rock needs, your metal needs, from the past to the old to the new. They are gonna rock you. Again, thank you for having me. Cooking with Frankie Meatball. Always a pleasure. And guess what, guys? We're going down, huh?
God bless America! And God bless America!
God bless America, baby.
Forget about it, eh? It's a Frankie Meatball production.